Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing yet again another Dollarama haul. I'm so excited. I love the dollar store. I know you guys do too. I actually picked up quite a few new items. I'm super excited to show you guys. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, I have to show this one first because I'm so excited about this one. This is one of those color changing tumblers. So when you put the water in, it actually like reacts to, I believe, like the coldness of the water, and it changes the color. I thought that was so neat. I saw this on the Dollarama Facebook group and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get one of those immediately. For some reason, and let me know if you guys are the same way as well, I love cups and I love mugs and, you know, anything like this. And you guys, I have been trying so hard to drink as much water in a day as I possibly can. So I think personally having a cute little tumbler like this will definitely help me out with that. So this was $1.75. It is BPA free. It is a 695 milliliter tumbler. So I thought that was pretty good. I haven't tested this out yet. So what I'll probably do is include a clip of me like putting water in this so you can see the color change, because I'm actually pretty interested. So my store only had the blue. I think they also do have a pink and maybe a yellow or something like that. It does have a lid on it. Let me just get it off here if I can. So there we go. At least we know it's a strong lid. So yeah, it does come with the lid and also a straw, and I love that. So I'm super excited to use this and see what it looks like. Okay, I think we all know that I have a slight obsession when it comes to body care products, body washes, body scrubs, whatever it is. I love buying them. I can't help it. So I had to pick up this when I saw it. This is the Soft Soap brand. It's the Pink Peony and Sea Salt Exfoliating Body Wash. You guys, I cannot describe how good this smells. It is, oh my goodness, it is such a good scent. To me, it smells very like florally. It's very like rosy to me. And I have a Bath & Body Works body oil that smells exactly like this. I swear, it's an exact dupe. I was hoping this would have the price tag on it because I'm terrible when it comes to prices. I want to say that this was probably $3 to $4. You guys, I was at the drugstore the other day. I was looking at their body care products. I could not get over the prices that they wanted for them. It was insane. Everything was like $10 and up. I saw some for even like 15 bucks. I was like, no thank you, I'm just gonna go ahead to the Dollarama. And you know what, I actually think this is a new product there as well because I've never seen this scent. So you know I just had to snatch that up really quick, and that I did. And I just love the way that this looks. It's so pretty. I haven't tried this one yet, so I can't say too much about it, but it does have real sea salt in it, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I just can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. So I pretty much always get my socks at the dollar store. I'm really not the type of person that cares about like the quality of socks. I just kind of grab whatever. Usually I wear like the white ankle socks or like a, you know, a fuzzy one or something like that. But I saw these ones there and I've never tried these before. So these are the Body Glove brand and it's a mega value 10 pack. I got all these for $4. I thought that was such a good deal, especially because I was looking at another pair. I don't even know what the brand name was, but it was $4 for 5. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get these. I'm not a huge fan of like bright colored socks. Like I said, I usually stick with white, but I was like, you know what? This is such a great deal. I can't pass it up. And what I thought was really cool, so it has this little tag at the back here. This must have been a product at like Winners or Marshalls or something, because it says the price was $5.99 and then it says compare at $10. Hopefully you guys can see that. And if you know me, you know I love getting a good deal. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, we're definitely picking these up. And apparently these are supposed to be really great socks as well. It says they're breathable mesh, arch support, arc. Did I just say arc support? I meant to say arch support, you guys. What is wrong with me? Low cut, arch support, reinforced heel and toe, breathable mesh, and ultra smooth toe seam. All right, the next thing that I picked up is just this little Lori Cosmetic Sponge. Now, if you watched my first Dollarama store haul, I will have a whole playlist like linked up here or in the description bar with all my Dollarama videos, but you'll know that I absolutely love, first of all, the Lori brand, and second of all, their sponges. Now, this one was neat because this is actually the mini version, and I don't have this one. If it's anything like the regular size one, it's gonna be great. So this was $2.50, but I think it's well worth it. Like I said, this brand Lori is honestly amazing. Definitely one of my favorite brands that they have at the dollar store for sure. Where this is a smaller version, I think I'm probably going to use it for like underneath the eye, like with concealer, or maybe even like powder as well. We'll see. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a boring item. So I just picked up a pack of cotton pads. These are 100 for $1.25. These are really great for taking off nail polish. I also use them for like toner on my face. So this next one is also a newer item to me anyways. So this is the Ivory brand brand original 99% pure bar soap. The reason why I bought these is because it seems pretty natural. It says it's 99% pure, and it also says it's free of dyes and heavy perfumes. When it comes to a bar soap, I want as natural as I can get, so that's why I picked these up. I have seen this brand at the dollar store before, but I don't think I've seen the bar soaps. I was hoping that these would have a price tag on them. I don't see one, unfortunately, and of course I can't remember, as always. I really need to keep a receipt. I always say no thanks when they ask for a receipt. I need to start saying yes, because clearly I can't remember a thing. But anyways, you do get 2 bars of soap in here, so I thought that was pretty good, and I feel like bar soaps, they last so long. All right, next we have the Febreze Fabric Refresher. That is so hard to say. Oh my gosh. Febreze Fabric Refresher. Try saying that 10 times fast. So this is actually the Gain scent, which I thought was pretty cool. It smells so clean and fresh, you guys. It's insane. I find this stuff is perfect for like a guest room or a spare room or something like that. You know, just do a little spray there, a little spray there, and the room is all freshened up. Also, something that I love and I always look for when it comes to products like this is that it's actually dog and cat safe. So this is actually another product that I've seen on the Facebook group. So this is the Scrubber Cleans Double Easy Eraser, and apparently this is an exact dupe for the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So we'll have to see about that, but I thought that was pretty neat. So you do get 2 pieces for $1.25. So as you guys can see on the back here, it has 2 different sides. It has the blue and the white. It says the blue side is a soft absorbent layer that wipes up everyday messes, and it says the white side removes crayon, dirt, scuff marks, and soap scum without chemical sprays and cleaners. So that's actually pretty neat. And also apparently, you guys, I don't know how true this is, but apparently this is really good on like tough parts for getting tan off, like spray tan. I don't know how true that is, but apparently it does work, especially like on your ankles and knuckles and stuff like that. So maybe I'll give that a go too. Who knows? So I might as well go ahead and show these. They kind of go along with the other things. So these are a 10-pack of scrubbing sponges. Pretty self-explanatory. These are great. This is actually such a good deal, you guys. You get 10 of these for $1.25. I think that's amazing. All right, next I went ahead and picked up the Delon baby oil. This is also the hypoallergenic version. You guys, I don't know what world I was living in, but I recently discovered how great baby oil is to shave with. It is so good. I don't think I'll ever go back to shaving cream. It leaves your skin feeling so soft, so smooth, gives it a nice sheen, a nice shine. I absolutely love this, you guys. Definitely a newfound favorite for me. If you were like me and you've never tried baby oil for shaving, please go try it, because honestly, you will love it. It's so good. So this is 237 milliliters. I believe this was around $2.50 to $3, so not too bad. Okay, so this one kind of goes along with shaving, I guess. So this is the Nair Hair Remover Wax Straps. Okay, editing Morgan popping in here because I literally just said wax straps. Oh my god, I meant to say wax strips, you guys. It's for your bikini and underarm. It says it is 97% natural, new formula with greater results, and it is made with coconut milk. So you get 16 wax strips and 2 post-waxing wipes. And again, not seeing a price, but I probably paid like $3 or $4 for this because it is, you know, a name brand. So that is what it looks like up close there, if you guys are curious. I don't want to open these up right now, but I'm really curious to see how big the wax strips actually are, because I know it says bikini and underarm, but I mean, you could probably also use it on your legs as well. I don't know if I would use this on my underarm, because for me anyways, I don't know if anybody else is like this, but my armpits are really sensitive. Like, I'm allergic to certain deodorants. I had to be really careful when I shave, so I don't know if I'm going to use these on my underarm, but I am really excited to try these out and just see how it goes. It says it removes short hair, ready to use strips, and it says it is for sensitive skin as well, so that's nice. Let me know in the comments, you guys, have you ever used anything like this? I use the Nair Hair Remover Cream on my legs, and I love that. It doesn't give me any, you know, reaction, rash, nothing like that. Okay, next, speaking of armpits, I picked up a mini Secret Baby Powder Invisible Deodorant. These little mini guys are like my go-to when it comes to my purse deodorant. Right now I have like a, you know, a regular size deodorant, but it's unfortunately unscented. If you've watched my What's in My Bag video, then you will know that I accidentally bought the wrong deodorant, so I just had to pick this one up. All right, next item. Some people might find this a little gross, but it's really not. So this is a Oral Care tongue scraper. You guys, your mouth health is so important, especially like with your throat and your tongue. You would not believe how much that actually really adds to like any bad breath, or just like I said, the health of your mouth in general. So, you know, as gross as it might be, I really do think it's a necessity, so I just picked one up. This is $1.25, and there's really not much to it, just your average little tongue scraper. You know what it is? The word tongue scraper is it's just a gross word. Like, that is a really gross word. And to go along with that, I picked up some new toothbrushes. So this again is the Oral Care brand. So you get 2 toothbrushes and also the little like clips that go on the top for $1.50. These are kind of my go-to. They're pretty much the only toothbrushes that I use, and they're really good. And such a good price, you guys. $1.50 for 2. Like, can you get any better? No. Okay, the rest of my items are all food. I decided to save those for last. Why not? So the first little food item I picked up are the Kinder Bueno minis. Oh my goodness, you guys. If you haven't tried these, you need to immediately. These are so good. These are the kind of snack where you can just sit down and eat the entire bag, which I definitely haven't done before. No, they're like chocolatey, they have a little bit of hazelnut, a little bit of crunch, and then they have like a creamy filling in the middle. Okay, the next thing I picked up are these fruity gummy watermelon slices. These are made with real fruit juice and they are $1. These are, again, such a good snack, you guys, so good. To me, these always taste super fresh. I can't stand when you get a gummy and it's kind of like hard and like rubbery, you know what I mean? These are so soft and chewy and they just taste amazing. Really good for like a little movie night or something like that. Okay, these are another amazing snack. So these are the Amador rice cakes with milk chocolate. I think pretty much everybody knows about these. These are just raved about on the Facebook group. Everybody loves these. They're gluten-free. They are $1.25. I don't know how many rice cakes you actually get in here. It says 90 grams. I like having these with like a cup of coffee or tea, and it's just such a good little snack. They're not too heavy. They are like a rice cake, but they have a nice thin layer of milk chocolate on the top. They're so good, you guys. I could sit here and talk about food all day. I'm gonna go ahead and show both of these at once. So these are the Crocker brand. You have the chocolate chip mix and then the rainbow bit cake mix. I love picking these up. They're Crocker, really good brand, and they're so good as well. They take no time just to, you know, whip up, and sometimes too I'll use these for other desserts. So I like to make truffles with these, and those, so good. All right, for some reason I decided to save a really boring item for last, but I picked up a pack of XL gum. This is just the 60-piece pack, which is my favorite thing to get. The XL brand, you guys, is probably honestly the best brand of gum ever. Such a strong, flavorful gum, and what I really like too is that the flavor does last quite some time. There's really never a time that you're gonna catch me without one of these in my purse. I'm that person that you wanna come to if you're like, I need a gum. Right here. I got some for you. But anyways, that is everything in my Dollarama haul. I am so happy with this haul. I picked up quite a few new items, new to me anyways, and the stuff that I picked up I'm just really pleased with. I think everything here was like around $40, so I think that's pretty good because I actually did get quite a few things. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Both will be down below. And also, if you are a fan of Dollarama hauls, I do have an entire playlist full of them, so I'll have that link down below as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!